Glamorous Babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanisha if you don't know me, and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. If you're new, hello, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom if you're new, or if you're older, you will know what to do. Click on that notification bell so you won't miss any videos I post, or if you got a friend that's not subscribed to my channel, make sure they do so as well. And you already read the title and the thumbnail. It's winter makeup. It is very neutral and it's nude, like it's brownish and stuff like that. So I didn't want to do a brownish and nude, or you see my lips. It's nothing major, but this is my winter makeup. It's like winter is like so many colors and can mean so many colors. So I just did a brownish look and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, make sure you go over there and do so now. Click on subscribe, and don't forget to tune in for my holiday Vlogmas, like Christmas Vlogmas, because I will be doing our Christmas Vlogmas if you stay tuned. So without further ado, oh, and make sure you follow my social media, and my social media is at the bottom, like Glamorous Mimi, Instagram Glamorous Mimi, and Twitter it is just Mimi, and Snapchat Glamorous Mimi, because I be on it. I be posting pictures. I want you to follow me and stay tuned what I'm doing, because Instagram is the first to know, and Snapchat is the last to know, and Twitter sometimes is the last. But follow my social media. But anyway, let's roll into this video. Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be based on my winter makeup. I'm trying to incorporate some browns a little bit, so I'm working out these two palettes from Profusion I just got. I'm working on the Gold Sparkle palette, and I'm working out that eyes palette. So as you see, I got one eye done, but you can't barely see it, but I can see it in my mirror. But yeah, I'm just trying to incorporate some browns, but hopefully this go well. I'm hoping. So let's get started on this. Well, let's get back into it to work on the other eye. So yeah, I'm gonna take this shade right here, Relax, and put it in my outer corner into my crease to start off with for my transition shade. The next shade I'm gonna take is Rich and put it on top of this Relax to make it more brownish, like the brownish I'm looking for. So yeah. The next shade I'm gonna take is Attitude and sweep it across on Rich and Relax. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking Shimmy and Exceptional to put on my brow bone. Shimmy and Exceptional. I'm going to take Backstage and put it on the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna take Thrilling and put it on top of Backstage, which is right this color shade right here. I'm gonna take this shade to put on top of Backstage in my inner corner of my eye. So I'm gonna take this shade Recharge and put in my eyelid, and I'm gonna go on top to take Shimmer to put on top of Recharge. Now I'm going to go off camera and just to do my eyeliner and my eyelashes. And the eyelashes I'm wearing is Kiss. They're Ever Easy Lashes in 01. I just got them, so I'm just trying these new lashes out. Now that's done. Now it's time for to move on to the face, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics foundation in 224 and my LA Colors Truly Matte foundation in Cafe. Now I'm going to take this F lipstick and blushing brown to put on my lips. So this is the final look. Of course, it's like very neutral. And let me know in the comment section if you like this look, or if you try this look or what and want to do this look, then show me pictures. Follow my social media: Instagram Glamorous Mimi, Snapchat Glamorous Mimi, and Twitter at It's Just Mimi. And don't forget to subscribe at the bottom, so that notification post also you won't miss any videos I post. And go over there and subscribe to my vlog channel Glamorous Mimi TV, so you won't miss the holiday vlog. And make sure you enjoy my content. Help me get to 200 subscribers, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.